Alright guys, I'm going to try to hold this thing as still as I can while I zoom in to show you guys this turtle I found. Oh, what's he doing? See how clear that water is? You can just see him. Just swimming. Like, how crazy. I'm zoomed in all the way, so. Where's he going? He's on a mission. Wow. He's booking it. Too cool. It looks like a red-eared slider. I don't know. In yesterday's video, I found out, looks like we're getting blocked. Yep, we're getting blocked. I didn't know until I watched the video on the 4K on the TV yesterday. Yesterday's video, that's when I knew, I could tell through the detail that it was actually a red-eared slider. A couple of them were at least. You see these fish down here too? Probably not. Glare's probably too bad. There's one. Yeah, you see a couple of them right there. Big school of fish over there. Looks like bluegill. Looks like bluegill. I don't know what they're doing. Probably hiding from the bass. Smart fish. This habitat just did a 180 on me. Talk about a copperhead paradise. Like, oh my gosh. You know, a little extra cautious just because there's so many spots where they could be. These leaves are freaking ridiculous. Anybody home under there? Nope, nope, nope. Oh, nope. Down there probably. God. Just gets more windy. It's crazy. So a little tip for you guys going out and hiking. Whenever you see places where they have like steps, natural steps that kind of go down, if they have a trail right here, choose to go that way. Because, not that there's a snake under here or anything, but they could pack themselves in there. And there's certain spots where these things are pretty hollowed out. For instance, perfect place for a copperhead to hide. Get spooked, tag it. So that's why I'm kind of just taking my wide steps and then checking it out. Well, we got another herp. See if you guys can make him out. There he is, that big orange head. Another broadhead. First thing I've seen in a while. Oh, and there he goes, off doing something. Where you going, buddy? Is he let me follow him the whole way? Oh, no, he went behind a tree. Another little dude. Yeah, it's definitely it's either a Fowler's or American. But you remember the one I showed you before that had those markings down the back that were not lined up? That was either an American or a Fowler's, and this one is either an American or a Fowler's. I can't remember which one has the lined up markings and which one has the dispersed ones. So let me know in the comments. So we found both species today, so that's pretty awesome. It's pretty awesome to find your first toad of the year, the first toads of the year, and have covered both species. Found my first sign of life in a long time. Toilet paper roll. Stuck to a tree. I mean, I appreciate what they did, because, you know, when you gotta go, you gotta go. By the way, guys, I have absolutely no idea where this trail goes. I'm assuming it loops around in my car, but that doesn't seem to be my luck here lately, so we'll see. Man, this place is packed with these toads. I mean, holy crap. It's another one with the lined up pattern. This place is ridiculously full of toads. I did not expect to find this many freaking toads. I made it back to civilization. Only problem is, this isn't where I parked my car. This is really far away from my car. It's my car. It's way down there somewhere. This view, I could never get tired of this. I'm gonna sit down here and eat some lunch though, and then get back at it. Pleasant little surprise while I'm sitting here eating my lunch. Cool looking little dude. This is cool. This has like a makeshift beach-like area built into this lake. That's awesome. Sorry if the wind's bad, but yeah. So, figured out how to get back to my car. So, that's where I'm headed. See, I have to take the road, so I'm pretty sure there's some good spots to flip some stuff. We'll see. On this road here to get back, I flipped this. That is a huge slimy. Turns out Iams isn't the only place that has huge slimies. This place has them too. I mean, this is my hand in comparison, like how big he is. Like, holy crap. Think that one takes the cake for biggest slimy. But as I'm walking back, I'm flipping around in here just because I noticed these little spots, and you never know where there might be a ringneck. Looks pretty good for a ringneck. Looks pretty good for a lot of things actually, so we'll see. Come on, ringneck. Nope. Worm snake? Nope. Alright, just flipped this beauty of an eastern worm snake. Look at him, look at that. Iridescent shine. That was for you, Lucas. Look at that belly though. I flipped him right here under this little rock right there. You are freaking adorable. What are you doing, dude? What are you doing? Why are you trying to get away? Hang on. Too freaking cool. Alright, well, I'm gonna let him go right back under his rock. There you go, buddy. Burrow away. Come on, go. Little cutie. This little rock, I flipped this guy. Hang on. There it is. And he is in shed. You can tell if you see the eyes. Hang on. Come on, stop burrowing. Yep, see those eyes, how they're a little off? Means he is in shed. He is too cute. Second eastern worm snake of the day, which is awesome. Look how bright that belly is. Alright, buddy, I'm gonna let you go. I'm gonna let you go. I'm letting you go. I know, I see your cute little tongue. I want you to go under your rock. There you go. There you go. Little cutie. So this makes number 3 on the worm snakes. And this one is also, look at the eyes, in shed. It's number 3. Flipped him right under that little rock. He is a raggly little dude. What are you doing? Stop being weird. Stop being weird. Okay, I'm gonna let you go. Here, let me put your rock back. Put your rock back where it was. And let you go. Come on, there you go. Oh, there you go. You know where you're going. Well, I think it's safe to say that the eastern worm snake population here is good, to say the least. Definitely good. Well, I didn't get 4, but if you guys like this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up and let me know in the comments what your favorite part about it was. Mine was the saving grace of those eastern worm snakes the last minute. They came in clutch, that's for sure. But found my car. Now I want to go home and do some adulting. But I'll see you guys tomorrow.